Install and activation. Select installation directory and data storage path. Select your country or the nearest available country. Click Register to create a new clinic account. Select Clinic Administrator as the registration type, then click Register. Enter organization name and check availability to avoid duplicates. Enter the username and email and check email availability to avoid duplicates. Select the country, enter the verification code and password, confirm the password again, and click Submit. After registration, an account activation email will be sent to the registered email address. Open your email inbox and follow the activation link to complete the account setup. Click Register to create a new laboratory account. Select Laboratory Administrator as the registration type, then click Register. Enter the institution name and check availability to avoid duplicates. Enter the username and email and check email availability to avoid duplicates. Select the country, enter the verification code and password, confirm the password again, and click Submit. After registration, an account activation email will be sent to the registered email address. Follow the instructions in the email to activate your account for use. Click Cloud Platform. Sign in to your account. Select the partner. Select List to find the laboratory you need. If the desired laboratory is not listed in the list, you can copy the current URL and send it to the laboratory to invite them to register. Once the laboratory is found, click Invite. After the laboratory accepts the invitation, the connection between the clinic and the laboratory will be established. After scanning the model, go to My Cloud, search for the laboratory name, and send the data. The laboratory will then receive the required model data. Check the overall order progress in the dashboard. Interface explanation. You can upload, copy, delete, or download patient case information. Double-click to enter the patient case interface. Preview list, you can modify or delete patient information. Double-click a patient entry to quickly preview all cases under that patient. Plugin list. This interface supports the download of professional function plugins such as margin line and orthodontic simulation. Supports personalized settings such as language preference, file format, storage path, tooth marking, encode type, and export configuration. You can also view the software help document and perform software upgrades. Create a case. Click New Case to create a new case. Enter the patient's information. Select the case type. Select the tooth position to be scanned. Click Scan to start scanning. Enter the scanning interface. Scanning. Before starting the scan, ensure the computer is connected to a power source. After the software starts, the gypsum mode scheme is enabled by default to solve the digitalization problem of hard models that are difficult to handle with traditional intraoral scanning methods. If performing an intraoral scan, turn on the Intraoral mode button. During scanning, if there is a freeze or a red frame appears, it indicates that continuous front-to-back scanning was not performed. Continue scanning smoothly along the teeth from front to back. Click the True Color icon to display the scanned image in its original model colors. If the icon is turned off, the image will appear as a plaster model. Click the Lock icon. Left-click to select the area of the model to be locked. The grayed out areas on the model will remain unchanged by subsequent scan data. Remote control. Turn on the remote control button to freely rotate the model using the handle and view it from all angles. Click the Delete icon to delete the model displayed on the current interface. Select the camera icon and press the Scan Start Stop button to view real-time photos of the selected area. After scanning, real-time photos can also be viewed in Preview Image List. Button control. Long press the Scan Start Stop button to enter button control mode. Up, zoom in the model. Right, next step. Left, previous step. down, zoom out the model, release. Scan the lower jaw. Enter the scanning interface, select lower jaw, and press the Scan Start Stop button to start scanning. After the scan is completed, press the Scan Start Stop button again and wait for the machine to save the data. Select the upper jaw and press the Scan Start Stop button to start scanning. After completing the scan, press the Scan Start Stop button again and wait for the machine to save the data. Select Bite and press the Scan Start Stop button to start scanning. When the text "Occlusion Matching Successful" appears, it means the bite scan is successful. Press the Scan Start Stop button and wait for the machine to save the data. Click the Finch icon to jump to the preview screen of the case. Model Preview. Click the eye icon to view the upper jaw, lower jaw, and bite. Click the Delete icon to remove the image. Click an image to display the photo of tooth position taken during scanning. Click the Delete icon to remove unnecessary photos. Supports 6-direction view switching for all-angle and fast model observation. Margin line. Before using this function, you need to download and install the plugin. In preview mode, click the margin line icon to enter the margin line marking interface. Select the required jaw position and click the marked tooth position. Add margin line, click the Add Margin Line icon. Click the left mouse button on the edge of the tooth surface to start tracing. Click again at the turning points of the arc to confirm the contour. In this mode, you can still long press the left mouse button to flip the model and long press the right mouse button to pan the model. Click on the blue starting point to complete the marking of the margin line. Click on the Delete Margin Line icon and it will return to the Add Margin Line mode. Save date after thal margin line is marked. Click the Save Data icon to upload thal data. KP or Simulator. Before using this function, make sure that the Paludo Simulator plugin has been downloaded and installed. In any mode, click the KP or Simulator icon to enter the orthodontic simulation function. The pre-processing interface is displayed as an orthodontic planning view, in which the red plane is the occlusal plane and the green plane is the dental midline plane. Click Adjusting the Occlusal Plane to modify the red occlusal plane if needed. First, adjust the red occlusal plane, then calibrate the green dental midline plane. Note that the rotation angle should not exceed 180 to avoid directional misalignment. During adjustment, you can use Revocation, Recover, Reset for assistance. After adjustment, click Square Root to complete. Click the recording button, set the video save location to start recording, and click the recording button again to stop recording. Click Next to proceed. Click the gypsum color icon to display the scanned image as a plaster model. Close to switch back to the original model image. If the model is overly zoomed in or out, click the Adjusting the Viewpoint icon to reset and display the full model view. Click the Margin Line icon to view the marked margin line. This function requires the EXO software to be available for use. Click the EXO icon to bind the EXO program. Locate dentaldb.exe and click to bind. After binding is successful, you can start using the EXO function. Finish. Click the Finish button to save the patient's information. Click the Export button. Export the patient's information based on the selected data type. Click the Send button. Wait until the data transmission is complete and the data will be sent to the cloud.